How to make a gradient blur in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Click the padlock on your layer to unlock it, then press Command or Control J on your keyboard to duplicate the layer. Right click this duplicate and then convert it to a smart object. Come up to Filter, then come down to Blur, and then choose Gaussian Blur. Set the Gaussian blur to whatever you need for your project and choose OK. Then create a mask on this duplicated layer, and then come over to the Gradient tool. Make sure you have it set to white and black. Then come up into the gradient settings and choose Linear. Click into the gradient editor. You should see something that looks like this. If you don't, click into Basics and then you'll see this solid colour to transparent like so. Click that and then choose OK. Then make sure you're in the mask and then just simply drag from one side to the other of your image, and then you'll notice that the Gaussian blur starts to fade on your image. If you're not happy with how it looks, you can undo and then go at it again with different strokes if you need to. Also, if you want to change the blur, you can double click into the Gaussian blur and increase or decrease this to suit what your project needs. And that's all there is to it.